Have you ever been so busy with your day-to-day tasks that, inevitably, something really important falls through the cracks? Has that important thing ever been a newly submitted form entry? If it has, you're not alone. Email notifications work great to let you know when you have a new lead, but an even better solution would be to have it appear on something that you're probably staring at all day. Something like, I don't know, Slack? But how would you get your site's contact forms to send you a Slack message? Well, I'm glad you asked, because we'd like to introduce the brand new Slack add-on by WPForms. The Slack add-on allows you to connect your site's forms to your Slack workspace and send out channel messages, direct messages, and more each time a user fills out and submits a form on your site. Connecting your site to Slack is incredibly easy. You can do so by clicking on the Add New Account button in the form builder, sign into your workspace, and you're all set. You can add a new connection from a specific form to Slack and select any workspace that is currently connected to your site. You can then choose from any of the available actions to perform. If you choose to send a channel message, you'll be able to specify which one you'd like the message to go to. And if you choose to send a direct message instead, you'll be able to select any user from your workspace. In the message field for either choice, you can write in your own custom message and add in any smart tags to include specific data from the form submission. The Slack add-on will also allow you to create reminders in your workspace by using the submitted form data. With just a few clicks, you can quickly and easily connect your site's forms to your favorite business messaging app to make sure you never miss another new lead again. We believe in making complicated things crazy simple, and the Slack add-on by WPForms does just that. What are you waiting for? Get started with WPForms today.